Hope and I converted a Ford Transit into a camper van so we can travel full time, but we didn't want to give up any of our amenities like electricity and water. Which is why we decided to install 500 amp hours of lithium power, 600 watts of solar, a DC to DC charger, and a pure sine wave inverter charger just in case we need an extra boost. Don't get me wrong, 500 amp hours of power is a lot of power and it can get us by for about 4 to 5 days without charging at all. But we like to have the Jackery just to have some peace of mind. So let's get into the specs and how much this thing costs. So starting off, the Jackery is a really nice looking unit. It has a little display button that will automatically shut off after some time just to try to save some power. It has an input to let you know how much power is coming in and an output to let you know how much power you're consuming. And right in the middle, it lets you know exactly how much power you have left. The Jackery also comes with 2 USB-C and USB-A charging ports, a nice flashlight with 3 different modes on it. It also comes with 3 120 volt outlets, and this beast packs a punch with an 1800 watt pure sine wave inverter. It also comes with a 12 volt DC power outlet, also known as a cigarette lighter. This thing comes in handy for us when we go paddleboarding so we can fill up our paddleboard with our paddleboard pump. So this is the front. Let's show you what's on the back. And moving on to the back of the unit, we have a DC input and an AC input. For the DC, you can plug your solar panels into it. And for the AC, you can just plug it in at home to have it nice and charged up before you go on a camping trip. After reading all the specifications, the Jackery has 35 amp hours of lithium power and a smart BMS sensor. And if you're plugged in to AC power at home, it can charge up from 0 to 100% in just 2 hours. And if you're plugged in to 1400 watts of solar, it'll also charge up completely in just 2 hours. So this beast weighs 37 pounds and it comes with this nice handle so you can carry it around. It's kind of heavy, but not super heavy. The greatest way for me to explain it is if you're going camping and you need power, you're going to want to bring this with you. It also comes with this nice little pouch, and inside of it, you have your user's manual, an AC power cord, and your DC power cord so you can plug into your car and charge it from your alternator while you're driving. And it also comes with these 2 little adapters so you can plug into your solar. And one more thing that I forgot to mention, the DC power outlet that plugs into your lighter port of your car can take up to 16 hours to charge your Jackery, so you might want to steer away from this unless you absolutely have to and go with an AC outlet or solar panels. So Jackery offers a few different types of solar panels. They have 100 watt solar panels and 200 watt solar panels, and you can also connect a bunch of them together to charge the Jackery much faster. So Jackery has a badass 1800 watt pure sine wave inverter built into this thing, and according to their website, it can charge an iPhone 63 times, it can power a TV, a microwave, a rice cooker, and even a weed whacker. And I mean, you never know when you need a weed whacker while you're camping. Now let's talk about the price. The Jackery itself, not including any solar panels, goes for $16.99, but if you buy before February 15th, they're offering a 15% off discount code, and the more solar panels you buy with it, the more you save. So the real question is paying $1,600 for the Explorer 1500 Pro worth it or not? In my opinion, it's worth every penny. Why? Because building your own electrical system can be really complicated and costs way more than $1,600. And with the Jackery, you have everything built into a small unit and it's all plug and play and basically dummy proof. I hope I was able to answer all the questions you guys had, and let me know if you have any other questions in the comments on anything about the Jackery or any type of electrical system. Make sure you guys subscribe and click the bell notification button. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.